everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're coming at you with something I ordered off the tool truck that came in, and something else that I've gotten off the tool truck. Well, I got it well over a year ago, and that's the kit Romeo Kilo Romeo Foxtrot Charlie 72. That's a repair kit, and I did have to order the faceplate for that as well. Now I've had that for quite some time. Just been waiting for the right time to get it installed in a Ratchet, the THLX72. Locking flex head with handle. Now I've already got one of these that's in 1/4 inch, and I do use it quite a bit. Batteries, tight spots, batteries and higher electrical components due to the rubber handle, so I can keep a hold of it, or if I have to, I don't have to worry about knocking the end of the handle into something that's going to be, you know, pushing out 800 cold cranking amps times 4 worth of power on a 12-volt system. A lot of amperage. You know, a little bit of safety there. Now, there are other types of wrenches, but we're not here to talk about them. We're here to talk about this guy. Originally, after Tarek sent me this uber long, awesome one, you know, mini ratcheting 1/4 inch snap-on breaker bar, THLLF72. Thank you, Tarek, by the way. I do appreciate that. Has come in handy a few times so far. Well, I wanted to put one in here because I've already got one on a regular flex head. Ooh, let me grab that real quick. All right, so here it is, and this is the Foxtrot Charlie Foxtrot 72. I've had this for around March of 2011 was when I got this little guy, and that's exactly how it came from Snap-on. No repair kit or anything else. I had to have it rebuilt once. It's over 9 years, you know, that's not too bad. And I think it was several months ago, so it made it a good solid 8 years before it just hit one spot where it was starting to skip. You know, is what it is. And ye old regular flex heads. Thing I like about flex heads like this is you can tighten them down to your own personal preference. People out there say you're not supposed to tighten those down. Whatever, your tool, you do what you want. And same on these two, because occasionally over extended periods of time these will get loose as well. Cinch that baby back up and you're back onto the races. Always wanted to get one. I've seen a lot of other guys out there do this. Partially that's why you get the soft grip handle, an extra couple of inches in there, because it's all about the extra couple of inches, in a 1/4 inch body, low profile. But anyways, enough about that. Let's get to it. We'll show you what you need to do it, and have some fun on this video. All right, so some things that you are going to need. The T9 is the one that happened to fit the best into these guys. The T10 into these little bitty screws there. Just didn't want to quite go in all the way to where I was comfortable using it. So we're going to be using a T9 on a, well, you know, nut driver. Simple enough. And we'll set this guy off to the side. Well, actually, we'll set that guy right there because that's what we're going for. And you can see by the faceplate on this one, she's had plenty of wear. Even since I got, you know, it rebuilt, it still get plenty of wear. So we're just gonna extend it out just a hair more. So we've got the kit, the faceplate here. I don't know. It did have a note when you ordered this kit to if whether or not you needed that faceplate, and I don't currently have the part number for this faceplate. If I'll annotate it down below or across somewhere. And then yes, Romeo Kilo Romeo Foxtrot Charlie 72 3/8 drive compact dual pulse 72 tooth. Everything that comes in the kit. And yes, we will be saving these internals in here and this little bit here for spare parts because, well, never hurts to keep spare parts. So Oops. I scratched it. It's mine. Oh, darn. Didn't cut myself. That's what matters most. So, I'm going to take our little bitty... and I might have to get one of my picks out. If I do, we'll just go from there. So we've got 2 screws that come preset with blue Loctite. We've got our spring. Oh, that's our pawl is in there. So they do set it out to where it's protected pretty well. Here's the little bitty guy itself with the O-ring. Comes with your super lube, your switch, and oh yeah, your actuator. Anyways, we'll get down to it. Alright, so set these down over here so as not to get them mixed up or lost. And you do want to do this probably on some type of rag because these small parts, it'll keep them from rolling too far if they happen to go elsewhere. So brand new. Yeah. Oops. Oh, and you guys just missed it because the air compressor just went off. I know. So, and that was right before I was switching the camera around. Pity. But it's all good. Another nice thing about Snap-on is their warranty. Kind of like several other companies out there that do offer nice lifetime warranty on their hand tools. So yeah, don't have to worry about the kit. Don't have to worry about this kit. Which we will take this faceplate clean off. Oops. It's still on there just a hair. There she goes. Actually, and then the pump kicks on. Karma. Okay, pump's off now. So, because everything is technically the same dimensions, if we really want to make this particularly easy, let's make sure that, and the air compressor kicks back on. Okay, so we got the spring. We didn't lose any parts there. Should just be able to take that guy. We're going to save this little bit of super lube and move the camera slightly. Oops. There she goes. Reach into our drawer here. Oh, come on. Damn it. It's up in there. All right. There we go. So we'll be saving this just in case, since, I've already got this. Super Lube, multi-purpose synthetic grease. This will grease a lot of ratchets. This little tube right here will do quite well. Because, yes, this part right here even says Super Lube. Same stuff. Buy it off of Amazon, like $4 or $5 a tube. They've got big tubes, little tubes. Tubes that climb on rocks, and you get a fair amount that will lube plenty of ratchets. And this is just how I do it. How you do it may be different, but we're just going to get some and get some around that O-ring. Make sure that that O-ring stays seated where she's supposed to. Sorry, I got to kind of look at this. It's a flat O-ring, well, seal, and that little bit right there ought to do it. So, oops, gonna try to not screw this up. Okay, so we got that on. And go ahead, we're just going to drop a little bit more right in between. That faceplate is dry. we're just going to take this, press this, come on, easy now, there we go, down, check function check is good. Actually, we're gonna reuse these screws since they're pretty much brand new. Well, they better be brand new, they're coming in off of a brand new Ratchet. Alright. And I have plenty of spare parts now for a whole another 1/4 inch. That will actually work really good. Or if I need any spare parts for this guy or that guy, we don't have to wait on the truck. Now, cost on this little kit, I think was around $10 or $12, and the faceplate was just a few dollars more. So you can do this conversion, you know, somewhere around 15 or 16 bucks, give or take, overall, between everything that you need if you want to do a conversion similar to this. You could probably find them online on snap-on.com, or as well from your local Snap-on guy if you've got a good one that likes to stop by. Make sure those are down tight. Oop. Yep, that's tight. And voila, there we have it. Doesn't that look slicker than snot? Or another way, you know, say slicker than cat poop on linoleum also works. But switch works good. Ratchet's real good. Yeah, baby. And we are golden. So we're just gonna go ahead and set all these guys back into this little kit, and I've got a stapler over by the our file desks for our paperwork and stuff, so I will staple this back together, this guy, keep them closed, and then I'm gonna also go ahead and put it in this kit, this bag right here as well, and that will give me good working spare parts for one of my 1/4 inch ratchets, or if I need a specific part for either one of those two guys, we'll be good to go. So there she is, customized THLX 72 to a 3/8 drive. How about that? Because there's a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and like I said, she just gives me a little bit more than this. Like I said, other guys out there have this video as well. And Clay over at Coon Trucking, Bobby Salvadrez, and there's probably about a dozen other more guys that I just haven't seen their video on it or anything else. Plenty of other videos out there to how they did this as well, and they might have more updated parts lists on these. Ratchets, when they're on sale, they're a pretty good price, or if they have a trade-in or something. But if they're not on sale, 100 some odd. But like I said, I've had my other one just like this for probably close to 5 years now. That's a 1/4 inch. Now I have it in 3/8 and a 1/4. And voila, I love ratchets. So anyways, remember, as we go ahead, put this one to a close, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And it never hurts to play around with some tools to kind of customize them your own way. So you take care.